How to upload t-shirt designs on TeePublic. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload t-shirt designs on TeePublic. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on TeePublic, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is TeePublic, it is an online marketplace that specializes in custom apparel, accessories, and home goods designed by independent artists, in which it operates as a print-on-demand platform where creators can upload their artwork, which is then featured on a wide range of products including t-shirt, hoodies, stickers, phone cases, mugs, and wall art. TeePublic handles the printing, shipping, and customer service, allowing artists to focus on creating while earning commissions from sales. And now to create an account on TeePublic, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the create account button on the top right corner, where all you need to do is to simply sign up your account or fill up all of this required information such as your name, last name, email address, and generate your own password. After creating your own account, you'll automatically be directed on here on the homepage, and it will show you that I have now successfully entered here or signed in my account. So now by clicking the sell your art button, all you need to do from here is to simply upload a design of your art. You have here an option to upload here a multi-file if you have a lot of files to upload or kind of design in here. However, if you want to be also a single file upload or a design, just choose your single file uploader. And in those options, I'm going to choose single file and click the upload button in here. But before you upload, make sure to follow some of these requirements that are needed, including high resolution transparent PNG and even the kind of file type in here. And you could also get that using this canva.com, where you can create here a customize your own sizes, including the pixel width, height in here. So just enter the required pixel needed in order to upload here the file and start designing your own design in here. Now, as you can see, I'm now currently uploading on my computer files, and below you can enter here the design title. I'm going to enter Labor Day since this design has Labor Day on it, or the holiday. Now you could also add a main tag, description, and even supporting tags below here. However, as you can see, my artwork here is not tall enough for the tapestries, so it will not be able to be applicable or printed on the tapestries. You could also change the artwork which is tall enough or create your own using this canva.com and create this 5000 pixel by 5500 pixel in here. You can enter here the width and the height, then click create new design. However, I'm not using a premium or pro account in Canva, so it is not applicable at this point. So moving on in here, I'm just going to simply upload again the Labor Day printed design, since even if it is not available on tapestries, it is available to be printed on t-shirt and also cup and some other kind of clothes or apparel in here. So you can see under or below here, we could also fill out the required information or enter here some other details, including the item, the default color on the right side panel that you can choose, and you can enable here all of this one, and the type of items such as t-shirt, hoodie, tank, crew neck, long sleeve t-shirt, baseball tee, kids hoodie, kids long sleeve t-shirt, and many more. And choose your default color, and choose here, for example, in here the white color. You could also do the same on any other selected item. Now at this point, you'd also choose the product colors below here, and it will show you what it looks like when it has a printed of your design on it. You'd also change the size of your design, including the scale of it in here, as you can see. Then below, you can even configure some other products that will be printed on with your hats, stickers, cases, mugs, wall art, pins, magnets, totes, pillows, and many more. Then click publish button, but make sure to check these boxes you agree to the terms and condition. However, make sure to fill out all of the options in here before you click the publish button, since you will not be able to be directed on the next page without filling out all of this required information, as I try like this one. And that includes the description, the main tags in here, and any other required details. So below, all you need to do first is simply enter here the main tag or what the one tag that would I search to find your design. You could also add a description in here, a t-shirt for Labor Day celebration. Now you could also add here the supporting tags below or the other kind of tags that will be able the customer to search upon searching this kind of tags. So below here I'm going to enter again holiday, Labor Day, and any other kind of celebration that will be linked to our design to be searched by the customer. So now as you can see, I've now done entering here or filling out the required information. You can now click the publish button. However, the error here also says that you need to add here the default color. So I'm going to select here the default color for the hoodie and also the baseball tee. Now, if you're now done, just click publish button once again and you should be directed on the page where it will show you the corresponding prices for this kind of design with a t-shirt on it and also the kind of style, the color, the variations, and many more. So this is basically what the customer will see upon clicking on the design like this one. You can choose the female fit if you want to, choose the kind of style, streetwear, t-shirt, and many more, and even the quantity in here. Now the importance of using TeePublic in here lies in its role as a creative hub where independent artists can turn their ideas into income without the barriers of traditional manufacturing or retail. Where from here, by providing a print-on-demand platform, it empowers the designers to showcase their work globally, reaching audiences who appreciate unique, niche, and pop culture-inspired designs. While in here, for the customers, its purpose is to simply offer an affordable and accessible way to buy custom-made products that reflect their personal interests, style, and identity. While at the same time, TeePublic also fosters a community that supports independent creators by giving them a fair share profits and visibility. So if you go to your account section right here on the right side panel, it will show you that you can track here your orders, some of your apparel, your design, and all of your accessories that has been created in here using your own design. And you can even track your history, your earnings. So basically the main purpose of this, it democratizes the design by giving artists a platform to thrive to give consumers diverse, one-of-the-kind products in which they can't easily find in the mainstream stores. And aside from that, TeePublic also supports inclusivity by offering a wide variety of product types, styles, and sizes to suit different preferences. Now from here under your profile section, you can click to manage your earnings right here. Upon doing so, it will show you that you can navigate to add or link your PayPal account, your Payoneer account by entering here your PayPal email address and many other account details for your payment methods. You could also navigate your earnings report in here and track your next payment this month, total earn, and items that has been sold. So overall, that is just how you can upload t-shirt designs on TeePublic. Thank you.